In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit text in an image in Canva. If you've ever had a photo, flyer, or screenshot with text you want to fix or update, Canva gives you a quick way to turn that text into something you can edit directly. Without recreating the whole design from scratch, start by opening your design in Canva so you are working inside the editor. With your design open, upload the image you want to edit. You can drag and drop it into Canva or use the Uploads panel. Then place the image onto your canvas. Make sure it's sized and positioned how you'd like, since the text you grab will line up with what you see here. Next, access Magic Studio. Click once on the image to select it. In the top toolbar, choose Edit Photo. This opens Canva's photo editing tools. From there, find the Magic Studio section and choose Grab Text. This feature uses AI to detect the text inside your image and prepare it for editing, which saves time and keeps the layout consistent. Give it a moment to process, especially if your image has lots of text or intricate fonts. When the analysis finishes, you'll see highlighted text boxes over the areas Canva detected. Click on a highlighted area, then click Grab. Canva will place editable text right on your design, matching the position of the original. Now you can click into the text and change wording, fix typos or delete and replace lines altogether. If something looks slightly off, that's normal with stylized fonts or low-resolution images. You can adjust the content directly, and you can always repeat Grab on other sections of the image. With your text now editable, tune the formatting to match your design. Use the font drop-down to choose a typeface that's close to the original or one that fits your brand. Adjust the size so it aligns with surrounding elements and tweak the color to ensure good contrast and readability. You can also refine letter spacing, line spacing, and alignment to make everything look balanced. Take a moment to zoom in and check edges and spacing so the new text blends naturally with the image. Once you are happy with the edits, finalize your design by downloading it. Click Download and choose the format that suits your needs: PNG for crisp graphics, JPG for smaller file sizes, or PDF for high-quality prints and sharing. Give the file a quick preview to confirm everything looks clean and consistent. That's it. Thanks for watching.